Hey, what's up, Edmonton? Here we are at an emergency service repair. So, client gave us a call because the main breaker area was flashing, and they did the right thing, killed power to it, and now gave us a call and we got out here. So, we booked EPCOR. EPCOR came on site, they disconnected power, and now we have our permit in place and we're about to start tearing apart this main breaker to see what has to happen here. Oftentimes, the main breaker might just need to be replaced. Sometimes it's a full panel, sometimes it's a backboard, bus board, or again just that main breaker. In this case, might be a main breaker, might be a bus board for the entirety, but this one didn't come close to a fire, so we don't need to replace the whole panel. If it did come closer to an actual fire where there was smoke and burnt components everywhere, then we'd have to replace everything that was compromised. Stay tuned. Here we have our main breaker, and we're going to try and peel this off. After we've already verified that it's been de-energized, and look at that, cooked right to the bus board. She is donezo. Now, if I were to have removed this while power was energized, we could have some major sparking issues, and that would be a major danger safety risk. But now we're going to dive in here, tear apart this bus board a little bit more, see if we can't clean it up, but chances are pretty good we're going to have to replace that bus board here. So here we have our crispy breaker. We're going to see if we can't clean up this bus bar. If it's no good, which it's looking like it, then we're going to swap out this bus bar and swap out this main breaker because she's obviously destroyed, and get the homeowner power back again. Yeah, main bus bar is very deformed. We're going to be swapping out this bus board. Now here's step one that we always do first, is our service side, because that's when the inspector wants to come and he wants to see it. So because of this compromised bus bar, we're going to have to swap out the panel itself due to the bus bar being riveted into place. Because it is a factory enclosure, we cannot drill out the rivets and put in screws. That could compromise the integrity of it, and really it would be just fine. However, we do have to play by the rules, so we have to swap out the whole panel. That's going to mean labeling the circuits, removing the cables, removing the neutrals, identifieds, bonding and grounding, and putting a Humpty Dumpty back together again.